warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, hello Miss Sophie. My name is Farida Armani. I'm from class 5B at SD Islam Nurul Semarang. Today, I want to tell you how to make a sandwich. In here, a tools and ingredients for making a sandwich. The ingredients are 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese, and 2 slices of beef burger. Lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, fried eggs, ketchup, chili sauce, and mayonnaise. The tools of make it are plate, spoon, fork, scissors. Before we make it, don't forget to wash your hand. Let's go. First step, I put 1 bread on the plate and then put the lettuce on the top of bread. Put the tomatoes on the top the lettuce. And then fried egg. And then put ketchup. Put the smoked beef on the top of fried egg. And then give chili sauce. Cucumber and the top of smoked beef. And then cheese. And then mayonnaise. The last one, cover the others with a slice of bread. Here we come. You can try it at home. Yummy! Okay, I will try. Good.